We made it to Prophetstown here in West Lafayette, Indiana.
Well, we're all set up back at the campsite. We'll show you around that a little bit later.
Yep.
We wanted to get a bike ride in before it got too warm.
Yeah, we're doing what, 5 miles today.
Yeah, and it's only supposed to get up in the mid 70s, so it's not like it's going to get hot today.
It's not bad at all. Not bad. Tomorrow's going to be hot.
Yeah, but yeah, they've got a great bike / walking, jogging trail. It's 5 miles long. And it's
out in a prairie setting. Really nice.
Yeah, it's mostly grassland, and I mean, not a lot of trees.
Yeah.
But a beautiful ride. So we're going to do that and see what we can find along the trail, and hopefully share some with you. It's a 1920s farmstead. That's what it's set up as. This is the Sears Roebuck house. This here. It was the I. Floyd Garrett tenant house is what it was. But it was a Sears Roebuck house. Kit, model kit.
Model kit.
Yeah, from the 1920s. Let me get you one of those to cut the grass with.
I gotta go. So I get Christy on that tire swing.
You're gonna be swinging on the tire swing.
I don't know about that.
I'm gonna be sitting up here on the porch.
What's going on?
Sitting at the old farmhouse.
Dinner ready?
No, I don't have dinner ready.
Yeah.
It's a cool farmhouse though.
Yeah, it is. Well, this ought to be fun.
No, I'm not swinging on the swing.
You know you want to.
No.
Come on.
No. I'm gonna throw a horseshoe though.
Get a ringer.
Do you have to stand back here?
Oh yeah.
Like right here?
Yeah, we'll go with that.
There is no way.
Here we go. Holy cow. It landed in the next county. Now you're getting closer. I'll show you how it's done.
Hold up, do it again.
Adjust my hat. You ready?
When are you going to show us how it's done? Okay, this one. This one's it. No, no.
No.
Turkey away.
This is being taunted by a turkey.
He's either very friendly or he wants to attack me. Some ice cream would be nice to do too. Come on out, buddy. Thus. There you go, so you can see. Can you see? No, you're not going to get that close. Oh, I see your teeth. What you got over here?
I got a little rabbit.
Looks like a big rabbit to me.
A big rabbit.
Oh, he's just sleeping. Oh, Blacksmith Museum.
All right. Well, good morning. We just wanted to show you our campsite before we went out and did some more exploring this morning. And we're on site 143. All the sites here have rocks with the number on them. It's just pretty cool. I'll show you that. A lot of these are all, well, not all of them, but a lot of them are full hookup, which is nice. My favorite thing about it is all the gravel. Really nice. No dirt. There's Christy.
Yeah, our campsite is pretty nice. It's pretty secluded. We got like trees on both sides. And the fire pit's nice. Everything's like positioned in the right place too. I think we better just take a walk and we can show them the rest of the campground.
I think you're right.
And they can see some of the other sites and see how they all have the gravel and they've all got a lot of space between them and stuff. And then I think we'll probably end up checking out the pool and oh, the playground in the campground. We'll show you that too, because it's pretty cool looking. Now the pool itself is closed because all of the pools in the state parks here in Indiana are closed for the season due to the COVID. But you can get an idea of how nice it is. It's a pool and splash pad, and we'll include that too.
This has got to be the nicest playground I've ever seen at a campground. Well, this is the Aquatic Center here at Campground. It's closed through 2020, unfortunately, but it's pretty sweet. So I'll take you around and show you the backside of it where the pool is. Shame we had to look through the gate, but fence, but
It looks like they have a wave pool maybe, or a lazy river. Maybe it's a lazy river. And some slides and a pool area. Not sure exactly what all's in there, but looks like fun. Well, we're just enjoying our last evening here at Prophetstown State Park, and we thought we'd let you know what we thought of it. So we're going to head out pretty early in the morning. Got like a 3-hour drive home, so we want to get started at a decent hour.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. We really like this state park. It might be our nicest state park we've ever stayed at.
Yeah, it's pretty high up there.
Yeah.
It's different than most state parks we've been to because of all like the prairie land, and the pads are all gravel, which are nice.
Yeah, that's really nice.
But we had a great time exploring it, and we even went into was it Battleground, where the Tippecanoe battle was held. And the museum and stuff wasn't open, but you could walk the grounds, and that was nice. It was beautiful and a nice monument. So if you get here, you'll definitely want to check that out, and then also read up on the history of the Indian tribes that were here. It's interesting.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. But you know, they got a nice pool, which you've seen.
Aquatic Center. I mean, it's
Center.
more than just a pool.
Yeah, it's got all kind of cool stuff for the kids.
And hopefully it'll be back open next year.
Yeah, hopefully. Hopefully. Who knows? The playground was awesome, as you've seen. Nicest playground I've ever seen.
Makes us wish we were kids again.
Yeah, definitely.
The campground, like I said, you've got nice private sites, and the pads are awesome, and they're big, well maintained, great biking path, walking path, and just trails in and around. And the farm was fun. We had a good time at the farm.
Yeah, the farm was a lot of fun.
Yeah, the animals were fun to play with and pet.
Yeah, yep.
But we have no negatives.
Not at all.
The restrooms are big and clean. The showers have a lot of space in them. I didn't get any video of those, but they were clean and big. So you have plenty of room in the showers and the restrooms. So.
Yeah, exactly.
So.
Well, I guess we'll wrap this up.
Yep.
Wrap this weekend or week up or however, I don't know. We haven't been home in a while, so I don't know.
We'll wrap our trip up here.
Yeah, that's it. So, all right, guys. Well, we appreciate you. And go ahead.
Oh, and you like this video, don't forget to subscribe.
And like it, share it, and we do appreciate it.
And hit that bell so you're reminded of our next one.
Yep. All right, guys. We'll see you on the road.
Bye.
Bye.